To download data from Walmart, you'll need to follow a few straightforward steps. This guide will help you navigate the process efficiently. Step 1. Create a Walmart account. Visit the Walmart website and sign up for an account if you don't already have one. Make sure to provide accurate information and verify your email address to activate your account. Step 2. Log into your account. Once your account is set up, log in using your credentials. This will give you access to the various data options available for download. Step 3. Navigate to the data section. Look for the section on the website that pertains to data downloads. This could be under categories like reports, analytics, or data management, depending on the specific data you are looking for. Step 4. Select the data you need. Browse through the available data options and select the specific dataset you wish to download. Ensure that you understand the format and type of data you are accessing. Step 5. Download the data. After selecting the desired data, look for a download button or link. Click on it and follow any prompts to save the file to your device. Make sure to check the file format to ensure compatibility with your software. Once you have completed these steps, you should have successfully downloaded the data from Walmart. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Walmart's customer support for assistance.